SteamVR Error 301 is one of the most frustrating issues VR users encounter. This error displays the message, "A key component isn't working properly," and prevents your VR environment from launching correctly. This error signals a communication breakdown between SteamVR software and essential system components. Think of it as a conversation where SteamVR is trying to talk to your hardware, but something is blocking or interfering with that communication. The error typically occurs during SteamVR's initialization phase. This is when the software attempts to establish connections with your VR headset hardware, tracking base stations, graphics processing units, audio devices, and motion controllers. There are 5 main causes of Error 301. First, outdated or incompatible graphics drivers can prevent proper communication between SteamVR and your GPU. Second, Windows power-saving features can interfere with VR headset communication through USB ports. The system may put USB ports to sleep, breaking the connection to your headset. Third, critical Windows services may not be running properly. Services like Windows Mixed Reality and SteamVR background processes need to be active for proper VR functionality. Fourth, faulty USB ports or cables can cause hardware communication failures. A damaged USB connection prevents your headset from properly communicating with your computer. Finally, software conflicts like antivirus programs can block SteamVR processes. Security software may mistakenly identify VR processes as threats and prevent them from running properly. Understanding these root causes is essential for effective troubleshooting. Each cause requires a different approach to resolve, which is why systematic diagnosis is crucial for fixing Error 301. Let's start with the most basic troubleshooting steps that resolve Error 301 in about 70% of cases. These simple actions should always be your first attempt. The next critical step is updating all your drivers. Outdated graphics drivers are the leading cause of Error 301, so this step is essential for a permanent fix. USB power management issues cause many Error 301 cases. Windows often puts USB ports to sleep to save power, which disrupts VR headset communication. Windows services are critical background processes that SteamVR depends on. If these services aren't running properly, Error 301 will occur even with perfect hardware. If basic steps haven't resolved Error 301, these advanced solutions target deeper system issues. These methods have a 95% success rate for persistent cases. If all software solutions fail, the issue may be hardware-related. This is rare, but can occur with faulty USB controllers, damaged cables, or incompatible hardware configurations.